Hi all and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you and test out gobuster. Gobuster is a CLI tool which is mainly written in Golang. The purpose of gobuster is enumeration in terms of directory and file enumeration for a specific service, subdomain enumeration for a given domain, buckets, for instance AWS S3 buckets and GCS buckets, TFTP service, and virtual hosts. So you use this tool in the first phase of penetration testing, and this is Reconnaissance. The current version and stable version is 3.6.0. Let's switch to the demo right now. Then let's see how gobuster can be used. We are going to create a Podman network at first, where I will deploy OWASP Juice Shop by Bgimmick. And I'm going also to deploy my gobuster container image. Let's check what gobuster offers to us in terms of subcommands, flags, and options. To do that, we just execute gobuster with -help. And we see the both subcommands we are interested in are dir and DNS, right at the top. And dir is directory file enumeration mode, DNS is subdomain enumeration mode. So far so good. We have also some flags, and the important flag in this section is -w, since it is the word list we need to specify while running the command. And what we also can do is we can just show the options, the available options for the specific subcommand. And for example, dir has these options. Let's just enumerate the OWASP Juice Shop. We need to enumerate the container right now. So what we are going to do is we execute gobuster with the directory subcommand. We are giving to the option --url, which is http. Container name is juice shop ct, and the port I have specified is 3000. Next, we need to specify the word list, which is -w, and I think we are going with the common, which is a rather small list, but it will do the work for now. And we need to specify, or I want to specify -quiet, -n for no status codes, and -e for expanded. Means that the full URL will be printed. We also need to specify another additional option, which is exclude length 3748, since there is an error which appears otherwise. So let's see what this command will show us. And we see already there are results. There's API found, there are assets, video, FTP, and it terminated. So that's it for directory enumeration. Next, we are going to enumerate some subdomains from a specific domain. In this case, this domain will be google.com. To do this, we use the DNS subcommand, which we check for available options with -h. And we see the options which I want to use are threads. I want to increase the threads by a higher number than 10, so I get even faster my results. And the -d for domain, which is google.com, -w for word list, and I think I don't see any more I need, so we can just try it out. Gobuster DNS -t, I think 100 threads are okay and good to go. -d google.com, -w word list, and I can also use the common.txt, the small list. And the results are coming in. You see uploads, you see wifi.google.com. So there's pretty much something. And that's it for the demo. Let's do the wrap up. We are starting with the advantages, and from my point of view, one advantage is that it's open source. The next one is it's CLI based, which allows me to integrate this tool into CI/CD pipelines and generate reports about my applications. It's easy to use, and the options which we have seen are straightforward so far. And the enumeration itself is pretty fast. The disadvantages and shortcomings of this tool. Actually, there are none. I just mentioned this point here, a good word list needed, because there's no internal word list which is shipped with the application in comparison to Burp Suite, Spider, and Deerbuster, which always had some word lists shipped with the application itself. But this is completely up to you to specify a good word list. The better the word list and the longer, the more or better results you get in the end. So it's really up to you. And this is the only shortcoming I have detected so far for this tool, gobuster. That's it for gobuster from my side. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.